Nation to position his party on the election was conducted to the glory. As a few hours ago, the appeal we are here to carry out a very so we go further in this exercise.
The national chairman of our great party. And the subsequent appeal in line with our constitution and guideline, which is the reason why we have seated here to present certificate of return to the winner of the primaries of Ondo State, who incidentally is the sitting governor of Ondo State, Lucky Aiyedatiwa. You know, it is very important. The failure of any party starts from a house that is not united. So being united is very important, and if the unity must be depicted, it must start from this place, and leadership must live by example. So in a united voice, we had congregated here to pray for the success of the election, one, support his election, two, and make sure that at the end of the day, the party emerges victorious in that election. So on this note, on behalf of the national chairman of our great party and the team members and supporters of our great party here assembled, I want to hand over the microphone to the national chairman of our great party to complete this.
The former governor on my right-hand side and on my left-hand side, members of the press, I'm happy because you are also happy. I'm happy because today is a day that we are presenting a certificate of return to our gubernatorial candidate for Ondo State election come November this year. And coincidentally, he was a deputy governor. He was an acting governor. He is a governor today. He will be a governor tomorrow. Inshallah. So, if you are thinking of governance, there is no better sequence of continuity than what I have outlined. And the state will witness unprecedented development because of this sequence of continuity. So, in the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I have the privilege to present this certificate of return to His Excellency, Mr. Very Lucky Aiyedatiwa. Thank you for that. Congrats.
The national chairman, sir.
Let me first of all commend the efforts and appreciate our leaders of our party, the largest party in Africa, the All Progressive Congress, APC, under the leadership of the national chairman, His Excellency Dr. Abdullahi Umar Ganduje. I want to thank all our leaders and appreciate all of you for your commitment and the way you have presided over the affairs of our parties not just during these governorship primary elections only. Nationally, the way you have been presiding over the affairs of the party, but more particularly, the governorship primary election process in Ondo State. It started earlier in the month of April with collection of expression and nomination form and the submission, the vetting, screening, voters, revalidation of membership, and the primary election itself that took place on the 20th of April 2024. You indeed presided over a very free and fair governorship primary election in Ondo State. The process that brought about my emergence at the flag bearer. I want to at this time also thank all and salute all the other aspirants, even though they are not here. I'm standing in for every one of them as the flag bearer because we're all winners. It was a successful exercise because you were able to produce a flag bearer. And the 16 of us that went into the contest were all winners. And I want to also appreciate them for understanding they have shown, for being good sports men and women. And today, the exercise has just been completed. The entire process has just been completed with this presentation or certificate of return to me. And I hereby accept this nomination as it will after being elected and returned as the candidate of our party for the governorship election coming up in Ondo State in November 16, 2024. Thank you very much.
The national chairman of our party, I thank you for being there for this party, being there for Ondo State at this point in time. Yes, the exercise has come and gone. Like the deputy chairman South said something when he was making his remark that the unity of the party is paramount at this point in time. I can assure you that Ondo State APC will remain united. I can assure you Ondo State is a progressive state, will remain progressive. Whenever the progressive govern the state is at peace and will witness development. From today, we will go home and stay united, and we will do the party proud come November 16. It is our collective responsibility to work together and make the party proud. We will assure you that our party will remain united and stronger. We know ourselves, and we have been working together. And this primary will never divide us. We will remain united. Once again, I thank you and I appreciate you for being there for us. Thank you.
Thank you very much. The candidates and the national chairman will be taking their photograph inside the hall.